Describe a traditional event celebrated in your hometown. What activities take place, and why is this event important to local people?
One of the most meaningful festivals celebrated in my hometown is Diwali, which is widely known as the Festival of Lights. It usually takes place in the autumn season and is celebrated over several days. During this period, the entire town is filled with excitement, bright decorations, and a strong sense of togetherness. In the days leading up to Diwali, people thoroughly clean their homes and shops, as it is believed to bring positive energy and good fortune. Houses are decorated with strings of lights, oil lamps, and colorful rangoli designs at the entrances. On the main day of the festival, families dress in traditional clothing and begin the day with prayers for health, success, and happiness. Throughout the day, relatives and friends visit one another, exchange gifts and sweets, and share festive meals. In the evening, the town becomes especially lively, with homes glowing from thousands of lamps and fireworks lighting up the sky. This festival holds great importance for my community because it represents hope, renewal, and the triumph of good over evil. Beyond its religious meaning, Diwali plays a vital social role by strengthening relationships and encouraging generosity and kindness. People often donate food or clothes to those in need, which creates a sense of responsibility toward others. Even individuals who live far away make an effort to return home, making the celebration a rare opportunity for family reunions. Overall, Diwali is not only a joyful celebration but also a powerful reminder of our cultural identity and shared values. It brings people together, promotes positivity, and leaves a lasting emotional impact on everyone who takes part in it.
If a friend from a different cultural background were visiting during a local festival, how would you help them understand it? Which aspects would you emphasize, and for what reason?
If I were introducing a friend from a different culture to a festival in my hometown, I would begin by giving them some background about the celebration so they could understand its meaning rather than just seeing it as an event. I believe knowing the story, values, and traditions behind a festival helps visitors appreciate it more deeply and avoid misunderstandings. First, I would explain the cultural and historical significance of the festival, including why it is celebrated and what it represents. For example, many festivals in my hometown are connected to ideas such as gratitude, unity, or the victory of good over evil. Understanding this meaning would help my friend see why the festival is emotionally important to local people, not just visually attractive. Next, I would prepare them for the main activities they would experience, such as traditional rituals, special food, music, clothing, and social customs. I would also explain appropriate behavior, like removing shoes before entering certain places, greeting elders respectfully, or participating in community prayers. This would help them feel comfortable and show respect to local traditions. I would especially focus on food and social interaction, because these elements often create the strongest connections between people from different cultures. Sharing traditional dishes, visiting relatives, and exchanging greetings are central parts of the celebration and reflect the warmth and hospitality of the community. Overall, I would prepare my friend by focusing on meaning, customs, and shared experiences. This approach would not only help them enjoy the festival but also encourage cultural understanding and mutual respect, making the experience memorable for both of us.